Hi, I'm Edward. While I may not be dressed for the part right now, I am a student here at CMU and I just woke up. And I also have class in 15 minutes. But I'm not worried because I have exactly 3 feet to go to make it to class, so I've got plenty of time to get ready. While I am first and foremost a student here at CMU, I'm also a worker at the Office of Distance Education. So, using that mindset, I have a bunch of tips for students like you or me that hopefully can help us stay sane taking classes at home. First things first, we have to get ready for the day. One thing that we recommend is to continue a routine as if you were still going to in-person classes. This means getting dressed, brushing your teeth, taking a shower, whatever your routine is, do it. This will help you stay sane and it'll keep you psychologically engaged, and it'll be especially helpful at the end of the day when you're finished with classes and classwork. You can switch into more comfy clothes and begin to relax. Working from home presents a few challenges, both mentally and physically. For one, you're cooped up inside all day. Second, you're mixing the place that you work and the place that you relax, which is very frustrating. In order to combat this, we recommend that you try to separate your bedroom from where you actually do your classwork. So, for example, I've brought my laptop into the living room, and this is where I'll be attending some of my online classes. A tip that we recommend that will really help you learn is to clear your workspace as if you were working on a desk on campus. On campus, desks are clean. They only have the items that you need for learning. Therefore, having things that are unnecessary that may cause distractions, like junk mail, are entirely unneeded. So try to clear off a space entirely dedicated for learning when you need to learn.